Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the gearbox from our 2003-2007 Honda Accord. Now you might notice that we have the handbrake removed here. Just note that in order to remove the gearbox you do not have to remove the handbrake. You do have to remove the center console though. I do have a separate video on that, so I'll link it down in the description below if you need to. But let's get right to it. So first off, we're going to remove two connectors. You actually can't see it from your side, but there's one here and one here. Now both of these are clips, so you just have to press down on the buttons and pull them out. On this one, it's a bit harder, especially if you have big hands. This one, and if it gets a bit too hard, you're gonna have to use a tiny screwdriver tool probably to press down on it. So now that we have both of them out, we're going to pry out these fasteners, just in case. Where's my pry tool? What the? Alright, so I finally found it. It was right here. Now all we have to do is pry out these two fasteners. I'm going to fit this under, and oh, I almost got it. Alright, there we go. Don't worry about breaking them because they're easily replaceable. On this side, same deal. Fit it under, and then take it out. After that, there's one tricky bolt that you might have to take out manually so you don't break anything, and it is, where's my flashlight? It is down here. Alright, so you guys see it? It's a number 14, so we're going to use our ratchet wrench right here in order to take it out. It might be a bit tricky with the angle that you have. So in order to make this easier, we'll move the gear shift to the front, and that makes it exponentially easier. Alright, so wait, let me angle it right. So from here, oh jeez, okay, is this going the right way? Okay, no it's not. So make sure it's going the right way. Then take it out, make sure you don't break it. Alright, and I guess now we could probably use a Milwaukee because it's loosened already. Our handy dandy Milwaukee, and alright, so my dad says to watch out for any washers that might be there. So I do feel a washer, I think. Alright, so this is the nut, and the washer is on the screw itself, so we don't have to worry about that yet. We're gonna have to worry about it when we take the entire thing out though. Let me see if you guys can see it. It's behind the this O shape, but you can see it. Alright, so the next step is to take out these 4 bolts that is holding the base down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are number 12. This should be easy to take out. So let's go ahead and, is this the right way? Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna use the driver because it seems like all 4 of these will be torqued. So I'll just make it easier on myself. Because you know it is getting dark, so might as well make it easier on ourselves. What the? Okay. So it is going out. Alright, so that's what the bolts look like, and now the rest of them. Set them aside. Alright, 3. This one might be a bit trickier, so you either have to use a manual one that goes down here, or have an extended one. Set that aside for now. And finally, the last one. Not too tricky. There we go. Now, when we're taking out the entire, just gotta make sure that there's nothing left. because when we take it out, we don't want to damage this. It does seem like there's... Alright, I already disattached this one. Okay. Alright. I think we can take it out. Just make sure the only thing that we have attached is this one right here. Alright, so taking this one out, I'm pretty sure that if we lift it and then move it to the left, we should be able to, or not, we should be able to angle this out just a bit, finagle it. Alright, and then take out the washer, or you can just leave the washer on. And let me see, is there any way to unattach these? Alright, so what I'm about to do, you don't need to do it, but we're going to do it so that you can see relatively easy. This is easy to get out if you do need to take it out. I have a video on taking it out, so go check it out if you need to. But actually, there is no screw that you have to take out. If you look here, you might notice something out of the ordinary. It's actually a clip. So there are two buttons. There's one here and one here. So you gotta press down on it and then just take it out. You have to pull on one side and push on the other. The thing about this is, as you can see, so the thing about this is the clips are the buttons are really small. I think Honda made this with the intention of not letting big fingered people ever touch these buttons. It seems that way with all the clips, but now looks like we can just remove it. Now, like I said before, you want to be careful of the oh no, the washer. Where's the washer? Oh, the washer's right here, I think. Alright, so be careful of that washer. Make sure you don't lose it. And there we go. I'm Aiman, and I just showed you how to remove the gearbox from your 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Look at other videos on Aiman, especially the outer repair videos and taking apart this car video. As you can see, we're taking apart this car entirely, and we're doing a lot of videos along the way. Now, I'll see you next time, and signing out. Peace.